Hey guys, welcome to Family Farm. We have done a video here in a while. Working on a dog fence that's covering about 1.5 acres, 2 acres, with field fencing, and it's going to butt up to another 3 acres of fence that'll be for pigs, sheep, eventually cows, but one thing at a time. And the ground's a little wet. Winter's supposed to be a little bit worse this year than last year, but ground won't freeze until, I'm guessing, end of January at this rate. But we're in the greenhouse, rigged up some waters and feeders for the chickens. That's the chicken side. Rigged up the waters for some ducks, 55-gallon barrel. That's their old house. And then I have used the electric fence in order to give ducks and the chickens an outside run. This is the ducks feeder, which is actually the pigs feeder that I built last year. Just threw something together real quick. But this will be their winter home. And yeah, it took a little bit to get here. We've been busy. But yeah, it's just just everything's just crazy right now. But yeah, I adjusted the feeders for the chickens. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little PVC cutout. Got them on Amazon. I've seen some videos for them. That's actually the pig's old water that he snapped off. So I kind of rigged that up for them. That's going to be a permanent fixture between here and out in what I can call pasture now. And then the chickens will have a stationary area. Then I'll put mulch and stuff down out front where they're going to end up tearing up the grass. But yeah, so we've been busy between that, kid, puppy, fencing, full-time job. It's just been kind of nuts lately. But hit us up, give us some comments. I'll do a video here of the fence, then I'll get that posted. But holidays are here. I know I didn't get a post around Thanksgiving time, but happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and if I don't post another one before that, Happy New Year. See ya.